The dreams that most people see in their sleep, Kalam turned them into reality while awake. From a small house of poverty rose a man who gave the nation missiles but gifted humanity dreams. He showed the world that true strength doesn't lie in weapons, but in knowledge and integrity. Mike N. Mines salutes Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam for igniting a billion dreams and proving that true power lies in knowledge. And now, let's discover some inspiring moments from his extraordinary life. Who was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, India's missile man and the people's president? Where was he born? In Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu in 1931 to a humble boatman's family. What did his childhood teach him? That poverty can't stop a child who dares to dream. What was his education? A degree in aeronautical engineering from Madras Institute of Technology. Where did his journey begin? At DRDO, where he built India's first indigenous hovercraft. What made him famous? Leading India's missile projects like Agni and Prithvi. Why was he called the Missile Man of India? For turning India's defense dreams into reality. What was his biggest contribution? Making India a nuclear power through the Pokhran tests. What made him stand out among scientists? His humility, simplicity, and love for teaching. Why do students adore him? Because he spoke their language of hope, dreams, and purpose. What was his belief about youth? That India's future lies in the hands of its young minds. How did he inspire millions? Through his books like Wings of Fire and Ignited Minds. What was his message to dreamers? Dream, 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 dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts into action. What did he do after becoming president? He opened Rashtrapati Bhavan to students and the public. Why was he called the People's President? Because he made every Indian feel seen, valued, and capable. What was his lifestyle as president? Simple, disciplined, and devoted, no luxury, only purpose. What was his most loved habit? Carrying books and interacting with children wherever he went. How did his journey end? He passed away doing what he loved, teaching students in Shillong. What was his vision for India 2020? A strong, self-reliant, and knowledge-driven India. What is his everlasting message to the nation? Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow.